Hi folks, what I'm going to show you today is how to do a playlist for your Amazon Music. First of all, you've got to subscribe to Amazon Music Unlimited. At the moment, you're getting a really good deal for 99 pence. For your 99p, what they will do is give you 3 months trial. Well worth taking advantage of. Amazon Music, incidentally, you're going to create playlists, which I'm going to show you how to do that just now, very quickly. And once you've done that, you're able to play your playlist wherever you like. You can play on your smartphone, you can play on your PC, Mac, obviously your Amazon Echoes, Fire Stick, even wherever. Anyway, so how do we do it? Right, first of all, we're going to choose an album. So we're at the home page at the moment. So we'll go to new releases. This is just to show you how basically this works. And excuse me, we'll go for see all, and it'll load. As I say, on if I haven't said already, you've got access to over 50 million songs. What we will do is we'll just choose an album as we go down. We'll choose this one. Just click on it, left click on the actual name of the album, and then your album will be displayed in front of you, as you can see. What we're going to do is we'll take this one here. What we want is, you see where the times are. The times are displayed over on the side here, but when you actually hover over the time, you can see it actually changes to 3 little dots. So if you, again, left click on your mouse button, you can go to add to playlist. So what we now do is we click add to playlist, and we should be asked to create a playlist because we haven't got one yet. We'll just call it Music 1, and we will save that as Music 1. You will now see the little cogwheel working away here, and what that's doing is that's now sending the song to the playlist that we've now created called Music 1. When that finishes, we'll then go to another song. All right, we'll choose another one. Let's say we choose this one here. Same thing again, left click, add to playlist. Should be a little bit quicker this time. Yeah, this is something here. It's asking you if you want to create a new playlist. Obviously, for different genres, you'll choose different playlists, etc. But we'll just keep this one at the moment. So we'll click on Music 1 again, and you'll see a little cogwheel working there, but it should be quicker. There you go. So what we'll now do is we'll go back to home again, and what I'm now going to show you is when we go down, we scroll down, you're looking for your playlist, incidentally, so it's on the left hand side. If you scroll down to near the bottom here, you will see my playlist. You can actually create another playlist on Music 1. Music 1 is what we're looking for, and within Music 1 we should have 2 songs. Let's bring it up onto the screen. There's the 2 songs. All you do to play it is obviously just hit the little play button there. It'll play up the top here, as you can hear. Okay, so we'll just pause that there. But that just lets you see, folks, how you can create a playlist. Quite simple, straightforward. Any questions, please leave them below, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And one other thing I would ask, if you don't mind, is please hit the subscribe button, because I do need subscribers. Thanks very much for watching, folks. Till the next time.